We're just talking about the snow right now.
Reported snow.
Yeah, reported snow. We've been getting a lot of it. I've been putting it on my Facebook page too. WWSB Chief Meteorologist Bob Harrigan, and thousands of hits because the video looks so true that the snow was falling. This isn't the video, obviously, but it looked like it, and you should go to that page and check it out for yourself. But the explanation came from the National Weather Service. I showed it last night and actually said that it looks like raindrops, very light rain being blown around by the strong winds, looking like it was suspended in air like snow does at times. But people, eyewitness accounts say it was snow. So if you think it was snow, then it was snow. Scientifically, though, it wasn't. The National Weather Service saying that the clouds that produce precipitation were not below freezing, as expected. Temperatures can produce some snow sometimes, upper 30s to right around 40 degrees at the surface. That you can get snow sometimes with those warm temperatures. Now, snow for the deep south. This is definitely going to happen through the next 24 hours, especially up until about noon tomorrow. You can see Tallahassee right there in the blue. That's 1 inch. In the dark blue right here, you can see up to 6 to 12 inches of snowfall from eastern portions of Georgia all the way up to Charleston. On top of this, there's a big problem. They're going to see a tremendous amount of ice developing over North Florida. We had a little bit of break in the sunshine. You'll notice these clouds are moving from the basically west-southwest to the northeast, and that means a little warmer tonight. We're not getting that direct north flow at this point, at least in the mid-levels of the atmosphere. We even saw a few breaks in the clouds there. It was a very blustery, cold morning with wind chills in the low 30s. Here's the forecast through this evening. Not as cold, but still chilly. Temperatures in the upper 40s by 11 o'clock. We could actually warm a few degrees after midnight. And you can see the rain already starting to develop. So, yes, we are going to get some showers here. It will be in the morning, it looks like, up until noon. Some of the showers can be moderate at times, and it doesn't appear that we're going to get the snow here, but boy, they had some in South Louisiana. Can you believe that? And out in the Gulf of Mexico, it was snowing there. That's how cold this area is behind it, and that little disturbance is going to move basically to the east. So, unfortunately, I know people want to see the snow down here, but it's not going to happen, it looks like. The rain-snow mix and also freezing rain could see an accumulation of 1 to 3 inches of ice on trees and power lines, and that causes significant power outages, treacherous driving conditions. You think snow's bad to drive in. Ice is the worst as far as drivers are concerned. That's going to be a problem along I-75 and I-95 throughout the morning and early afternoon tomorrow, so it's not advisable. We have a few light rain showers around right now. Not a lot of significant rainfall. We'll see a few brief showers through this evening. As far as the warnings go and advisories, we are not under any kind of wind chill advisory at this point. That probably changes tomorrow night and into Thursday morning for us, but for the time being, a little bit of a break. A winter storm warning where you see the pink there, and winter weather advisory into Levy County along the east coast. They're going to see flooding there due to some strong onshore flow from the Atlantic, and they're under a flood warning there. As temperatures go, 52 degrees right now. The dew point is at 44. We have that northeast wind at 12. As I mentioned, the mid-levels of the atmosphere now, we're starting to get more of a southerly push out of there, at least southwesterly push. A high today was only 58. It felt much colder. 71 is our normal, and 84, the record set back in 1989. No rainfall to report today, although there have been a few brief showers around. They weren't over the rain bucket there at the weather station at the airport. 39 in Tallahassee now. It's 37 in Jacksonville. Temperatures currently here, low to mid-50s, 57 in Northport, 57 in Inglewood. The water temperature is 65, but that's going to chill out, especially by the week's end. The forecast tomorrow looks like this. We'll start off pretty chilly, right around 50. That's typical for this time of year. Rain in the morning, midday, still some showers around noon, tapering off, partly cloudy, windy, and cool. And as far as the forecast goes, you can see that rain starting to gather right after sunrise and really pick up with the snow and freezing rain over North Florida. For us, a few brief showers and then clearing and turning much colder throughout the day on Thursday. And that cool weather sticks around for a little while through the weekend. Small craft advisory remains in effect for tomorrow. Seas running 3 to 5 feet. Choppy conditions on the bays and inland waters. The water temperature now at 65 degrees and expected to drop even further, as I mentioned, over the next several days. Well, here's the 7-day forecast. So tomorrow, morning showers, 50% chance for that morning rain, tapering off, high of only 58. Breezy, cool, and at least some sunshine on Thursday and Friday. But look at the low to start things off on Friday morning, 35. That's an actual temperature. And we could see some freezing temperatures on Saturday morning in our inland counties. And then temperatures start to warm up. So Sunday, here we come, 70. And we're back at it on Monday into the mid-70s.